Hello, my name is James Tunbridge. I am the director of a marketing agency in Nottingham. Today, I want to share my honest review of StaffDirect, who helped me with an urgent staff request. Working with StaffDirect has been an absolute game changer for our business. They understood our needs perfectly and provided us with high-quality candidates in record time. The team was professional, responsive, and genuinely cared about helping us succeed. I can confidently say they're the best staffing agency we've worked with.
Hello, my name is Sarah Liam. I am currently working as administrative assistant in Collingham Nursery, London. I want to share my thoughts about StaffDirect and how they helped me find my dream job. StaffDirect helped me find an amazing opportunity that aligned with my skills and career goals. The process was so smooth, and the recruiters were incredibly supportive and encouraging at every step. They made me feel valued and confident in finding the perfect job. I couldn't be more grateful.
Hello, I am Claire Simons. I work as a HR manager at Retail & Co. Today I would like to share a review about the StaffDirect agency and their efficient and dependable service. StaffDirect provided us with excellent temporary staff at very short notice. Their ability to match candidates with our requirements has been exceptional. It's refreshing to work with a recruitment agency that truly understands our business needs. My working experience with StaffDirect was quote outstanding, and I would love to use their services again.
Hello, my name is Tom Billings. I work as a logistics manager at Druids Golf. I would like to share my recent experience regarding StaffDirect agency and their excellence as highly professional agency. We used StaffDirect to help fill several positions in our logistics department. The team was extremely professional, communicated regularly, and delivered qualified candidates for every role we needed. I highly recommend them.
Hello, my name is Emma Silver. I worked with StaffDirect agency for my administrator role in Stanmore College. I would like to share my honest review regarding supportiveness and efficient behavior given to me by agency. From the start, StaffDirect supported me in getting a great administrative role. They were always quick to respond to any questions I had and made the entire job-seeking process stress-free. Super professional and helpful team.
Hello, my name is Michael Roust. I worked with StaffDirect agency for my concierge role in Stanmore College. The only thing I want to tell you after working with his agency is that it has great opportunities with guidance and that I can assure you. I've been placed in multiple temp jobs through StaffDirect, and I am genuinely impressed with how quickly they found me work. They also ensure to match my skills with the right positions, so I never felt out of place.
Hello, I am Amy Juliet. I work as the event coordinator at Birmingham Football Club. I would love to tell you about outstanding turnaround time services provided to us by StaffDirect on very short-term notice. We were in a bind with a project requiring more staff than anticipated, and StaffDirect exceeded our expectations. The turnaround time was incredible, and every temp worker was skilled and ready to go. Fantastic service.
Hello, my name is David Ken. I work as a construction site manager at In-Flight Engineering. I would love to tell you about how StaffDirect provided us customized solutions and great support throughout our project. This agency truly excels at tailoring their recruiting process to fit our niche industry. The recruiters were supportive and very understanding of our unique requirements. Their approach saved us both time and money.